Hey y'all, it's Christy Coley, and I want to tell you about income shifting. So, income shifting is one of the strategies that my company use to increase the amount of your take home pay. So, if you're working a 9 to 5 or a 10 to 3 or whatever kind of job you have, we always know that, it's hard to ask for a good, decent raise. And some companies, depending on what they're going through financially, cannot afford to give you a raise. So, with my company, myEcon. So with my company, myEcon, one of their strategies is to show you how to income shift. Now, some of the other strategies is to show you how to eliminate debt, repair your credit, increase your cash flow, start investing, accumulate assets. But income shifting is one of the strategies that we use. So I'm going to show you how you can benefit from income shifting and how it can increase your pay. So we're going to take on average somebody that makes $15 an hour. They're working a 40-hour week. They would their paycheck amount would be $600, and based on the current taxes, especially if they're like single, no kids, they're going to get taxed the highest. So their take home pay is going to be they're going to take out about $140, real talk, out of the 600. So their take home pay, we're looking at $460 take home. All right, so at $15 an hour, if you were to receive a 5% demerit increase or a 5% raise from your job, that would take you from $31,200 a year to $32,760 a year. So we're looking at increase of, $600 before taxes, and then you add 5% to that. We're talking $630. $630 a week instead of $600. So that's only a $30 per week raise. Okay, that's based on 5%. All right, so with income shifting, you would go in and adjust your W-4 forms and your tax worksheets, your deductions, all of that. Because what many don't know is each year you should go back in and adjust your W-4 forms, all of those tax forms. A lot of changes take place yearly when it comes to taxes. And if you don't go back in there and readjust your forms based on those changes, then you're going to be losing so much money. So many Americans are overpaying taxes. And I'm not talking about, okay, at the end of the year, you get a refund overpaying taxes. I'm talking about even after you get a refund at the end of the year, you have still paid too much money to the government throughout the year. And guess what? You can't get that back. So that is more money that you have lost. So with myEcon, they show you, they teach you how to go in step by step guide, you guys, and how to adjust your W-4 form based on you, your family situation, your job, and your home business. We can talk about that later. So let me show you, for an example, how the income shifting works. Now, based on someone that's making $15 an hour who may not have children, single may or may not have children, I can tell you based on what I've seen. Now, everybody is different, so that's why you have to go in and fix your forms yourself. Each person is different, but based on what I have seen and observed through these processes, someone making $15 an hour and averaging $600 a week would see a increase of $75 per week once they shift their income. So now instead of getting that $460 a week, we're looking at $535 per week that they will now bring home. And when you take this $75 a week and multiply it by 4 for your whole month, then we're talking an extra $300 a month. And if you want to be technical and multiply that 75 times 4.3, because our months change, then you will end up with even more than $300. So we're talking an extra $300 a month by shifting your income alone. Who couldn't use an extra $300 a month? And like I said, based on your situation, if you have kids, especially if you have kids, and then also based on your income, you will see way more than this a month once you shift your income. The average person who goes in and shift their income are seeing an increase of $200 to $500 extra dollars once they shift their income. It's unbelievable. And this is what income shifting does. This is how you benefit from income shifting. Now, when the end of the year comes or the beginning of the year and it's time for you to get that actual raise from your employer, then you add that increase on top of what you've gotten from your income shifting, and that's even more money. So this is what I'm talking about when I say income shifting. If you hear, this is one part of income shifting. And like I said, this company teaches you, they show you, they give you direct instructions, step-by-step guide on how to adjust your W-4 and your tax worksheets. This is so worth it. Everybody who's working, whether you need to go in and adjust these forms, and do this every single year, because like I said, the tax laws change. They're steady changing year by year by year. And if you don't go back in and adjust your forms according to how the laws have changed, then you are losing. You are losing money. So, if you really, really like this information, and I wanted to share it with you because I'm in a position now where I can share this knowledge that so many people are left out in the cold, like in the dark, don't know. And it's not our fault. It's not our fault. We're busy working and taking care of home and kids and children and doing whatever else. So that's when I come into play. I'm here to help you. And so if you want to learn more about this income shifting and so many other benefits that myEcon can provide to you, please share this video with some of your friends and your family and your co-workers so that they too can start shifting their income and earning, being able to receive the money that they work hard for, the money that you deserve to have in your bank account every payday. Share this video with them. Have them contact me so that I can get them started with the system, with the program, so that by their next payday, they'll have more money in their account because they would have gone in and shifted their income. Okay? This has been Christy, and I hope this helped you today. We can have a conversation about that. Please inbox me. Please reply. Please inbox me. Please text me. Please call me. Let's get your money in your hands, okay? Let's get your money right.